Hi, I'm Bob Corselman with Demco. Third generation here, and my grandfather started this company back in 1964. He started as a blacksmith company and then incorporated as Demco, Dethmers Manufacturing Company in 1964. 100% ownership at that point. He passed in 1974. At which time my father and Ken Mulder became partners and owned the company until 1997. At that time, family members, other members bought the company. There was kind of some transitional period until 2001. Today, it is 100% family owned. My father, my brother-in-law, Kevin Haken, and myself own the company. Our product categories were 100% ag until the early 80s. We had a number of different products in the agricultural market that we served, ranging from pull-type sprayers to small sprayers, fuel tanks, steel fuel tanks. We had fertilizer attachments for tractors and for planters, a line of pumps, squeeze pumps, piston pumps, and so a lot of different products for the ag line until the early 80s when the ag crunch came. At that time we developed a line of cart caddies. It's a two-wheel trailer that gets pulled behind either motorhome or one-way rental trucks. Developed that in the 80s, which was really a savior for our company. And then in 1991, we developed an actuator, which is a surge brake actuator for our trailer product category. That has grown tremendously since 1991. We have 100 plus fits now between couplers and actuators that we offer into that industry. Back in 2000, we purchased Maurer Manufacturing in Spencer, an agricultural manufacturer. They were in semi-trailers, combine extensions, and head trailers for combine heads. That's been a good second location. It's given us backup on production and offered, again, diversification in that industry. Back in 2017, we purchased Circle R Manufacturing out of Thurston, Nebraska, a side dump line of trailers. And then in 2018, purchased SMI Manufacturing, and they provided a product of supplemental towing braking systems for cars. And so you can see the history over the course of the history of Demco that we've been very focused on diversification. Believe that gives us strength in many different ways, and ultimately provide a quality product for our customers. So thank you for believing in Demco and being a part of our Demco family.
Hello, my name is Kevin Haken. I'm the Executive Vice President here at Demco. Thank you for taking the time to view this video. Just a little background on myself. I started here at Demco in 1986 in purchasing and currently in the role of Executive VP. But a little background to give you some insight of Demco. One of the things that we are beholden to is really small community environment here in Boyden, Iowa, a town of about 700 people. So very important to Boyden and Boyden to us. And our people are, like you've heard for probably many, is one of our most important qualities and assets. So trying to be the employer of choice for the employees of choice too. Some of the things that we do here from a very vertically integrated manufacturing environment, bend metal, laser cut metal, machining parts, welding, robotic welding, liquid paint, powder paint systems for all of the products that we do is certainly something that we value because we control a lot of our own environment. Some of the products that we do, in the areas where we proved some innovation or providing solutions to situations too, are things that were really a challenge maybe in some respects for the end user, but sometimes it was just even an environment where we were not being satisfied from a supplier very well, and we felt we could do this too. One of the examples there is the trailer products, and that's become one of our largest product categories to date. Hydraulic surge brake actuators, couplers, and other attachments for the OEMs and distributors. That started in 2000 and really was very beneficial to our national rental customers as well as some of our other towing products too. So it is something that helped us become, again, more diversified than what was originally a company founded on just agricultural equipment. So that has rounded our portfolio and really helped us to mitigate some of the ebbs and flows of a given product family or industry, and help Demco to become what it is today. So thank you.